Howdy. Ta-da. Fun. Aha. What?
I thought you just cut straight through.
Not when there's going to be a bind, like it's trying to flop down on itself. Yeah. I could cut from the bottom.
Oh, like in the bottom. Okay. That's delicious. One of my favorite smells. This paint takes 7 days to cure.
Wow. That's a long time.
Yeah, so I don't know what to do now. I gotta make a new lid. I'm not waiting 7 days.
Wow, this is not long enough.
The sledgehammer? Oh, for the momentum?
No, I'm too tall. Like I was gauging it wrong.
Wow. So you just let the thing fall and it like just like basically falls on top and you just don't do anything. You
Basically.
just have to, like,
it's so heavy that it doesn't need it.
That's cool. That's way faster than that.
And the saw? Ow.
I don't know, you did that in half the time. So.
Ow.
You're gonna have so many stab wounds when you're done.
Yep, look at that. New hanger, old hanger.
That's crazy.
Insane.
Turn it over and eat it from the other side.
Hard battery powered generator. Take two. Hard battery powered chainsaw. Works pretty damn good for these little jobs. Now time for cleanup. Hey! Can I get a broom? Thank you. That was a lot of sweeping. All right, tomorrow we're going to be tearing out the 4x4s that hold up the bottom porch and trying to salvage it as best as possible. It's about 20 years newer than the top porch. There's some stuff that needs fixed on it, but that'll be on a later video. Hope you enjoyed whatever this was. Come at me tomorrow. We'll do some more. Later. And we're back. For me, it's been about a half hour. For you, it's instant. So I've decided I'm gonna go ahead and power wash the house while it's all taken apart. A little tidbit if you like power washing. If not, then scroll on along. Wow. It's dead. hope you didn't get as wet as I did, because that would be weird. Maybe not. I am a handsome feller. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that. It wasn't real satisfying, I know, but I wanted to get the dust off. I'm going to be tearing off. Hold on, let me flip you around here. Can I do that? I'm going to be tearing off this bottom row of siding to get to the footer of the house so I can actually put on a proper ledger board, because that wasn't done. Like I said in the first video, when I tore the thing off, or the first portion of this video, I guess, it was all nailed in to the footer of the house. There's the rest of it I just threw in a pile. Anyway, hopefully that goes just as smooth. Hey, just a quick second. Just wanted to thank you guys. I got almost 5,000 followers or subscribers or whatever you want to call it. All of you guys wanting something different. I go so many different ways on this channel. And I just want to thank you guys for that. Just means a lot to me. It's my hobby. I don't get paid for it. It's just something I like to do. I'll get better at it. But for now, have a great day.